Seed Network, Sustainable Enterprise and Empowerment Dynamics Network. At Seed, our coaching and training is direct, powerful and real. We operate from the premise that you cannot change what you don't acknowledge. We help people get real about their lives, everyone and everything in it. Our coaching and training is about life-rewarding action. We will teach you how to weigh up your options, make your decision, and then empower you to get on with it. To thrive, innovate, excel, and lead into a new reality, we must reach beyond effectiveness toward fulfillment, contribution, and greatness. Our coaching starts from within, helping you create your dream, and then we coach and mentor you to successfully navigate your goals. Some of the significant changes that need to be implemented in our approach to life require an inner journey. We help you understand who you really are and what you really want for yourself. This helps you pursue your goals effectively. My role as coach and mentor is to create a spark of possibility to be lit so that others can see. It is not to convince you of anything. I am here to empower you to get your own answers, access your true dreams, and overcome anything that gets in the way of making your dreams a reality. The comprehensive and intensive personal development systems and personal growth programs will allow you to consciously choose and design all aspects of your life. Through our coaching, you will bring out your potential, purpose and passion in ways well beyond what you have imagined. We develop leadership ability that can be brought into any organization or business. You will learn to do things that you may normally not think you are capable of. You will motivate others to do the same, creating a win-win-win for them, for you, and for your organization or business. Call Nora Zeelie today on 082 332 3232 or send an email to norazeelie@gmail.com. Nora Zeelie is a certified business coach with Action Coach, as well as a practitioner consciousness coach with CCI, member of Coaching and Mentoring South Africa.